Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
With just over a month before a special waiver from the government to the global services sector expires, companies in that industry are still awaiting word on a possible amendment to the Special Economic Zones SEZ Act that will allow work-at-home employees to use duty-free equipment outside of SEZs. Since April 2020, the global services industry has been receiving the benefits of the SEZ Act, even though some agents have been working at home, and therefore off-site designated special economic zones due to a waiver from the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. At that time, many business process outsourcing BPO operators adopted a work-from-home model to ensure business continuity in a time of the novel coronavirus outbreak. A reduction in wheat export by some key source markets is not likely to result in a shortage of the commodity locally, but producers are warning that rising prices could trigger unfavorable ripple effects. Last week, India, the world's second largest wheat producer, said it would reduce export of the commodity, citing concerns over rising food security issues and as it moves to control rising domestic prices. However, in a revision of its position, the country, which normally produces wheat for local consumption, adjusted its announcement, noting that it would keep a window open to export the commodity to less developed and needy states despite the ban.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.